We all want money, especially in the first time, right? We all want to earn money. We want financial freedom at our home, right? Right away. So how can I make them get results faster? What I've been doing is figuring things out on how can I share and make training for the social media, right? So here are some of the things that I noticed that I want to share with you guys, okay? Especially in making trainings for your team, right? So one thing I noticed is making it simple. Simple is very important, especially on the first three. Okay, in the first part, in the first startup, making it simple is so much important. Okay, I have to realize on how to get them results faster and design the strategy for that. How can I get them results faster? And see how can they earn faster? Because usually most of us going and entering and joining network marketing, we all want money, especially in the first time, right? We all want to earn money. We want financial freedom at our home, right? Right away. So how can I make them get results faster? So what I did was to make a very simple strategy for our online marketing and figuring things out on how can I make it more simple. Right? I have to get rid of all the things that look like a little bit advanced for them. You understand? So I have to make it simple for them to earn money faster, for them to earn cash faster. Alright? On how can I get them results fast? But it is aligned for a little those advanced strategies. Alright? So that's the first one, making it more simple. Make a very simple steps for the trainings for the people who join your team.